Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add a writing prompt in WordPress. A super handy tool that helps boost creativity, spark new ideas, and keep your readers engaged. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or just love writing, this guide will walk you through every step nice and easy. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. At the top right corner, click on the login button. You'll see a few options for signing in. To make it quick, select continue with Google and choose your Google account. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard, which is basically your control center for everything on your site. Now, from your dashboard, look for the quick links section. Click on edit site. This will take you into editing mode where you can modify your pages, post, and layout in real time. Think of this as your creative workspace. Add the writing prompt block. Once you're inside the editor, it's time to add the writing prompt. Go to the top left corner of your screen and click the Add Plus button. A search bar will appear. Type writing prompt in it. You'll see the writing prompt block appear in the search results. Go ahead and select it. Just like that, your new writing prompt will be added directly into your content area. Customize your prompt. Now, here's where you can get creative. You can edit the text, change the style, or even move the block around on your page. Maybe you want a daily challenge prompt, a topic for your readers to respond to, or just something to inspire your next blog. This tool is perfect for all of that. Why use writing prompts? So, what makes this feature so powerful? Writing prompts can help you generate fresh blog ideas when you're stuck, encourage more interaction with your audience, keep your site feeling dynamic and engaging, and the best part, it's completely beginner friendly. You don't need any coding or advanced design skills to use it. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a writing prompt in WordPress, the easiest way to keep your content fresh and engaging. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore another powerful WordPress feature to make your website shine.